Hey everybody, this is Mr. Big here at Rhode Island Stormwatch Ground Zero, and yeah, and I was going to be posting throughout the day with these to compare, but staying up all night and then the next day is actually a lot harder than it looks. So, without further ado, I give you what my driveway looks like at the moment. It's kind of, well, whiter than a Nebraskan church. Very, I can actually see the flakes coming down. Because they're not flakes, they're tiny, tiny, full-size snowmen out to make your lives miserable. Yep. There's the car that I'm sure I'll have to have some kind of part in digging out. But that is just... the screen door's blown away. That's just the one aspect of a snowstorm. Or your driveway. It's quaint, really. But to really get a grasp of $2 lighting, that's what my studio is made for. You really gotta see the main street. And here it is. Oh, there's no way you're seeing over that fence, but yeah. It's like something out of a movie. Doesn't plan on stopping anytime soon either, but that's just the fun. Okay, probably gonna have Vegeta and Dave check in from their respective stations. You'll find out where those are soon. So, without further ado, this is Mr. Big saying, how do I still have internet?